Hi friends, welcome again. In this series, we will go through some of the cool features of Power BI, which has the capability to calculate like Excel and present better than the PowerPoint. Let's make a time series chart in Power BI. We have done so many time series charts in Excel or a PowerPoint, but we cannot show a dynamic chart that can show the movement of the data. Here it is showing how the things are moving. Not only it is dynamically showing the data, but it can also mark the critical event. For example, by the end of 2019, COVID was detected in China. After few months, UNO declared this as a pandemic. By the quarter one of 2020, most of the countries went into lockdowns and worldwide travel was stopped. The whole movement of the labor to the European markets, especially to Ukraine and other countries, was disturbed. As a result of whole supply chain bottlenecks, we started to observe the wheat prices are going up. This continued with the gradual pace, but there was another abnormal event happened in February 22 when Russia invaded Ukraine, which is a big producer of the grains, especially wheat and corn. That has caused a spike into the price. After some time, Turkey negotiated a deal for the export of wheat between Russia and Ukraine. With the resumption of supply, we have seen the prices started to come down. This is how you can tell in a very nice way the story about critical events, how they have impacted the price. If you want to know how to develop this chart, please join my channel and give me the comments if you are interested to learn this thing, and I will make a video for you how to make this chart. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'll make sure you will get more interesting videos.